This is not cool. It's 80 degrees in here. I don't know if you can see in the corner there, but that says it's set for 95 degrees to cool. I don't know if I can get it. What is that? 95 degrees? That's not gonna work. This freaking room is hot, man. 80 degrees. This room should never get that hot. I mean, that's kind of the max. So I'm gonna try and fix the off-cycle programming on that, but that's not good. Okay, starting the cleaning cycle. You just press this button to start the cleaning cycle. And then when it says add cleaning fluid, you add the cleaning Manitowoc or nickel safe ice machine cleaner. Okay, nastiness. Okay. Nastiness. Okay, how I do it is I soak these little guys. I just grab a little plastic cup and I just put it in that far. You don't want to put it in any higher. And then I just spray some liquid ice machine cleaner in there until it turns like a light green, and let it do its stuff. Just let it sit there for a while you clean all the other parts. It should come out pretty nice, hopefully. Okay, the famous indigo trick to removing the center core part out, this part out. So is put some screws back in this part, and actually with both hands you can just wiggle. There's a couple of O-rings holding it in, so just wiggle it a little bit on both sides and it comes out. That's the that's the famous indigo trick. 3 O-rings actually, excuse me. You just wiggle, use the screws as little grab handles. A cool trick. Okay, you guys might not know this, but this little rubber boot just slides up. See if I can do it. Anyways, it just slides over. So I just want to let you guys know that you can push this boot up, and this one, and you can scrub this stuff with a green scrubby pad and the plastic with a green scrubby pad, but do not scrub the metal with a green scrubby pad. Only with a sponge, or like Dave, he used like a toothbrush. You could do that, you know, the spinning soft bristle brush or whatever. Yeah, but don't ever scuff these up with anything. Just let them soak, and they clean up real nice. Okay, ice machine's all put back together. She's all clean. All cleaned up. The door. If you guys are ever wondering how to seal up these expansion valve covers that they use to insulate the expansion valve and other miscellaneous stuff here, I use silicone to seal it up. GE silicone clear. The colors are not as good. The colored silicones, they break. I don't know how to explain it, but they're not as, they just don't turn out like rubber. You know, they're like more, they break up a little bit because of the color. Anyways, the GE silicone too bed and bath, you know, the stuff that's good for wet location, works really, really cool. This area used to be like really, really bad with the scale and stuff, and I cleaned it up, and it's not too bad at all anymore. So, and I did, I think, underneath the bottom there too, and I did in the middle where it was dripping, and worked out really good. You can see it's like really cool. Okay, so we got power loss. That's me turning off the breaker. Okay, that water level probe, T3 fault. We gotta check that out. So we gotta get that sensor somewhere. Safe mode. Okay, Manitowoc indigo, IYO 604. I know it's a little dark, but let's see when I put my light on. Hang on a second. There we go. IYO 604. There you go. So we got a little issue. Turn this light off. Okay, service. That log. Grid lock. So we're okay as far as that now. I reset it a couple cycles ago, but we do have an issue. Gonna throw some codes. So we want to go to service and go to maybe real-time data. Now I want to go diagnostics. And diagnostics, temperature sensors. Houston, we have a problem. The old T3 problem. I replaced that sensor like a little while back, probably 5 years ago. It's gone again. Pretty standard. So T3 and T4, I believe, is T3 is the inlet of the evaporator. T4 is the outlet, I believe. T1 is your liquid line, and T2 is your discharge sensor, which is right here. Which says, should say, hang on a second here. It's going to say, there's your discharge line. T2. You can look for you guys that like to read upside down. T2 is discharge, so anyways, let me turn off the light. Oh, that's not cool. Yeah, so got to replace that sensor T3. Discharge at 158, that's nice. Liquid 75, that's nice. Room's like 70, I don't know. Feels like 72 or 70, something like that. The liquid line's pretty cool. The liquid line actually might be pretty close to the same temperature as the room. That's pretty efficient. Or who knows what's, yeah, I don't know. The temperature of the room feels pretty cold, so about 70 probably. So, yeah. You guys ever run these things? Just don't even bother replacing the T3? Would just run in default mode all the time, right? Okay, let me know in the comments. All right, click like on the video, subscribe. Thanks. Just all clean up now. Dropping ice, making ice. It only took 10 minutes to drop some ice. I gotta clean the bin, but yep. There we go. Thanks for watching. Click like on the video.
Just wanted to let you know that bins got to be dumped every 6 months, no matter what. You got to burn the ice every 6 months because you're growing mold. I don't know if I'll be able to get that mold out of that bin, but that's gnarly. So you need to dump all your ice every 6 months. Okay, let me see if I can clean that up. Okay, I was able to get rid of the black mold stuff in the bottom of the bin. So I cleaned it up.